How to log in American Express bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser and go to americanexpress.com. Then when you are on the official website of American Express, click on the login button. Now to log into your account, you need to enter your user ID. Then enter your password. After entering both of these details, you also have to select your account type. So if you click on the drop-down menu, you're going to find four different options: cards and banking, membership, rewards, merchant account, and American Express at work. Select whichever account it is that you want to log into. Now you have the option of remember me if you don't want to enter all these details again. Uncheck this box if you are using a public domain or shared PC. Now click on the login option. If you have forgotten your password or ID, you can click on forgot user ID or password option as well. And if all the details you have entered is correct, you will successfully log into your account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.